to Fort Benning to share memories and celebrate.
I think just watching the way they're training today and to remember what it was like when we went through and reminisce about going through the low crawl pit.
These soldiers were part of the non-commissioned officer candidate school at Fort Benning. They're all Vietnam War veterans and they call themselves Shaken Bakers. That's because there was a dire need for troops, and these soldiers were drafted, trained, and sent to Vietnam very quickly.
See me right there?
Oh yeah! Today marks the 37th anniversary of their graduation from boot camp.
I'm thinking these guys look really young. I don't know if we looked that young or not when we went through.
Even though they were here years ago, the memories came rushing back.
You coming back?
The obstacle course. It was a little bit different than this, even though it's similar. But the obstacle course we went through, we got down in the mud. And then they have the little explosive devices, and you get all that debris all over you. And
they're showing more this time.
It seemed like it was a mile long. I don't know how long it was, but it seemed like it was a mile long.
It's a time to remember, and it's also a time to reconnect with old friends. Tony Dooley and Scott Guptill fought in Vietnam together, but lost touch after the war. 2 years ago, they found each other.
So it's been great to reconnect, and it seems like 35 years wasn't even there. It was just a breath.
For some of the soldiers,
it's
the first time they've seen each other since the war, and they'll be celebrating all weekend long. Teresa?
All right, thanks, Kelly. There were 26,000 soldiers training at the non-commissioned officer candidate school at Fort Benning at that time. 99% of the soldiers in that group went to Vietnam.
Over 1 million Boy Scout badges are being voluntarily